Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Holo Taco Double Rainbow Gradient using both the pastel and original rainbow collections. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient today, I'll be using the Holo Taco Pastel Rainbow Collection, which I did receive as PR. We've got Pink Fizz, Coral Chaser, Peach Tea, Lemon Spritzer, Mint Mojito, Sparkling Water, and Lavender Syrup. And for my base color on that, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, topped with a quick dry top coat to speed the dry time. And then once that's done, I'll be protecting around my nails with protective peel. One trick when doing a gradient is to cut the sponge to about the same length as your nails. In my case, they already match, so I don't really need to do that part. And another note that you want to be careful of is to keep in mind how much polish you're going to be needing to put on the sponge as you're going. In this case, since we're working with 7 colors, I'm actually going to go ahead and mark the center with the yellow, and then start adding in the other colors, overlapping them just slightly with 3 on either side of the yellow. Then I'll be applying it to my nails. I'm going to go ahead and add a second layer of gradient, starting with a fresh sponge, and as I complete each nail, I'll be removing the protection. For the stamping, I've added a fresh layer of protective peel around my nails, and for the design, I'm going to be using the OG Holo Taco Rainbow Collection, which is Magenta Jelly, Red Licorice, Orange Drink, hey, it actually fits in with the new collection also, Lemon Sucker, Green Taffy, Blue Freezie, and Purple Slushie. To help the stamping stick to my nails, I'm going to be using just a tiny bit of the long-lasting base before I do the stamping, and as my stamping plate, I'm going to be using the Moyu London Illusion Collection number 4. I'm going to prep each nail one at a time before I get the stamping ready, with just a little bit of the long-lasting base so that there's just something sticky for the stamping to grip onto the nail with. can use pretty much any sticky base that you want, or if your base color is fresh enough, you can just go right on top of that. I'm going to use the same technique as I did on the sponge as far as marking the center and then doing 3 colors on either side. Once I've got all the colors layered, I'll be scraping and stamping. Once all the nails are stamped, I'm going to go in and do a little bit of close cleanup using my usual small brush as well as acetone. Once cleanup is complete, you can finish with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. As soon as I saw the pastel rainbow, I knew that I wanted to do something combining it with the OG rainbow collection, and I kind of exceeded my own expectations with what a cool optical illusion this turned out to be. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can see how sparkly this is under direct lighting. I may or may not have had an excessive amount of flashlight time while I was working on these. And if you'd like to see that, the extended tutorial will be here on YouTube in the next few days. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.